Ben, what? How do people on YouTube? I see all these good creators. How do they do their freaking intros? Like I'm just sitting here. I don't know what to do. I don't. I don't. I don't. I just don't know. Like everyone's got
Well,
their thing. I just don't have anything.
I don't know about you, dude, but if it was me, I'd probably just I'd take a really hard jewel hit into the microphone like this, like just
And then
then,
just
no. Then you got to hold it in really hard, like
yeah.
really long, and then you just.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, guys, we're gonna get right into this one.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's get. Let's just get into it. All right. Start. Yeah. Let's find a match. We're gonna be playing some Halo Blades today. Cho'gath in the top lane. We'll see how it goes. Kind of doing like an on-hit build with his E. His E will do a lot more damage with stuff. So yeah, this is my buddy Ben. He's going to be joining me for some of my videos and maybe more in the future. We don't know, but he's here today. So Ben,
Yeah, I'm also trash at the game.
yes, yes, we both are not very bueno at League of Legend. But
Yeah,
shop
zero
came in,
bueno.
and I don't know if I really want to buy any of that because they're not
Uh,
for champs. But
I
sweet.
got a whole 0 out of 5. Wait, how many skins are in the shop? 5?
Five, yeah, five.
Yeah, I got a whole 0 skins for my champs. So
Feels bad. I mean, I
yeah,
play some of them. There's six actually, but
yeah,
I play some of them, but like not enough to be buying those. So, nah.
dude. Nah, they're mine are all bad except for Graves. Actually, there's like a pool party Graves, and I don't know, dude. I'm just kind of feeling the pool
Graves,
party right
that
now.
is a pretty nice skin.
Yeah, I mean, his chest hair really seals the deal for me, but I think I'm gonna have to pass on it for now because my wallet's screaming no.
You know how it is.
Yeah, dude.
I'm gonna get
Hey, nothing like a
Porofester
little
loaded
poverty.
up. Get Porofester loaded. Get some runes going. I don't even need that. What am I doing? We'll check the profiles. We'll see how everyone's doing in this game later. Who's not good into Cho'gath, you think? Maybe like a
Um,
Darius? He's got the pull.
uh, I don't know. I'm gonna ban.
I'm thinking Darius.
I'm gonna ban Kha'Zix. Actually, I'm tired of seeing Olafs. Actually,
The Olaf has been in the. I see him in a lot of games. I played like two or three other games earlier today, and he was in both of them, or in all of them.
he's just strong. I'm just tired of him. He's like the 1v1 potential early for him is just it's stupid. I can't
Yeah.
fight it.
Cheap shot or taste of blood? Probably cheap shot because I have Q.
Is Smite new meta for Cho'Gath?
Yes, actually.
I'll need to start putting that on my Cho'Gath that I don't play.
Oh yeah, because I got autofill jungle earlier today.
Ooh, that's lovely.
Jesus Christ. Okay, my mixer's coming open. I do not want to hear this league stuff a lot.
That's a cut. No.
Uh, yeah, so I'm gonna do like Halo Blades, Cheap Shot, Eyeball, Ravenous with Bloodline and Triumph. Maybe not Bloodline, maybe Last Stand and Triumph. Yeah, let's do that. And then that can be whatever. Oh man, probably going into a Maokai. Yeah, that'll be a match. Tank v tank.
I think I'm gonna start a Tinder profile, and I think I'm just gonna put my League of
Oh,
Legends stats.
good, good, great, great. I didn't want to play anyway.
That's a cut too.
That's a cut. That's a cut, ladies and gentlemen. In case you didn't know, that's a cut. Cutting that out. Cutting that
Does
out.
that does that count as one win for us? One win,
Yes,
zero
yes,
losses.
that's a victory. That is a victory.
I'm gonna start a Tinder profile, and I'm just gonna put my League of Legends stats on it and see what happens.
Oh, dude, you're gonna get absolutely nothing at all. Like zero. Like nada.
I think. Listen, I'm gonna put it on my Grinder profile. I'll get a few cutie nerd boys.
There you go.
Perfect.
That's what it's
Just
for.
for
That
that's what it
is
is.
that is exactly what it's for.
Is that not why you play League? That's why I play League. Oh yeah, do not want to see Olaf.
Oh no, we got someone who knows the Zoe.
Dude, I'll play Zoe jungle. I love Zoe.
Yeah,
Definitely because of her abilities.
yeah. I don't want to lose LP.
No, but
I'd rather be gaining it.
but I mean, look at her. I mean, it's probably really fun.
FBI, open up!
I don't know if you can really say that, Ben, but
I
okay,
I I definitely think I could say that.
okay.
Listen,
Now
how
I'm
many
going
kids
up
do you
against a nasty boy.
how many kids do you know with one purple eye and one blue eye? That's right,
That
0.
slim to none. I'll
Yeah.
I'll I'll say that.
How many kids do you know that are 1,000 year old, 1,000 years old?
How many kids do you know?
Uh, I think I have a little sister.
You think?
I
Okay.
think I ain't seen her in like a day.
People
Something
are
like
like, people. What do you mean? Do we need a tank? Yeah,
that. I
and
don't think I need
Cho'gath.
a tank. I think I need runes.
Yeah, you might want to fix your runes, bub. That'd be a good idea.
I don't like how Leona's looking at that sausage.
Just cooking, man.
She just cooking.
Just cooking.
It looks like what's the girl from like the Revolutionary times? What is her name? The girl with like the bandana and she's like really strong.
Yeah.
No, she's a real person. I swear.
Okay.
It's I can't even think of it. All I know is that True Damage Echo, he definitely looks like he can rap a little bit better than me, but not much. I definitely have a few sicker beats in my library than him.
A
But
few iller raps.
yeah, he's still kicking it though. He's killing it out there, just not like me. You know, I mean, his competition's with Zoe though down there right now.
Yeah.
He's over there rocking those like skull crusher what are those skull candy headphones, and then she's easily wearing beats.
I think those are Z's by Dr. Z.
Dr. Z,
Yeah.
Dr. Mundo.
Yeah.
I think it's yes,
I think it's Z's
yeah.
by Dr. Mundo.
Z's by Dr. Mundo.
Yeah.
Oh, I get it. It's because she puts him to sleep. It's Z's because right thought they were
Oh, good lord.
toys. I how much you want to bet that's actually why that's it though?
Probably. I mean,
At least
it makes enough sense. I don't know. Tell us in the comments if we're right. Anyway, there's that comment plug for the video. That's all done.
Wait a second.
Wait a minute.
In the champ select screen, she had one purple and one blue eye. Now it's blue and green.
I think it was blue and green in the champ select. I mean, I'm no expert.
Right, Dibs, get on that.
I don't know.
Mm.
I love how long the load times are to get into a game. It is phenomenal.
Sorry, I stuck a fork in my computer. I'll take it out.
But you're playing on a computer? I have a Samsung smart fridge.
Samsung smart fridge. Thought I'd use my smart toilet.
Oh. I didn't know that it had enough memory.
My 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 webcam is directly where the bidet's at, so
It's
you know.
quality angle.
Quality.
Quality
I
angle.
was gonna say the perfect angle. You don't have to ever adjust your camera. It's great. Dude, somebody's really got a toaster.
Yeah, I mean, set it 100%. A Nasus with Conqueror. That's a sight. Okay. I think I'm just going to keep it normal build for like the first bit, kinda. And then I may build into like one resistance item first. I might do like a Frozen Heart first, I don't know. But
Dude, I've never been so insulted in my life just now.
okay.
That like I was talking to this girl and she thought she was being nice, and she says, she goes, if you were on Tinder, I'd totally swipe right on you. She knows there's like a super like button, right? I'm kind of hurt that.
Kind of hurt you didn't get the super like. Yeah.
Yeah, like she's like, oh, dude, I'd totally swipe right, but like, not super like, you know,
Yeah.
like that's kind of insulting.
It's like I don't super like you, but I guess you're all
Dude,
right.
Blitzcrank is about to catch a case and grab Zoe.
I wish you would.
Just catch a case. Can we put that on YouTube? Because I don't
Wait.
think we can film. I don't think we can film the part where Blitz like grabs her. That's
Okay. All
that
right.
is-
Okay.
that is
Okay.
services right there.
Okay. All right.
Sorry, had to hit the jewel before I hit Zoe. Wait, what?
Ah. Blitz
Blitz
didn't.
Crank-
Yeah,
Blitz
I
Crank-
don't. That's odd. Okay.
Okay.
No blue for you.
Fine.
Okay.
Oh, again.
Top isn't here, so they may be leashing. I'm not entirely sure.
I'm just ever so slightly salty about that. I think I'm actually really mad about that. That set me back a lot of time. That was smart. I'll give him that. That was smart. Is it bad that I want to really kill Blitz first now?
Do it. What's
So
stopping
mad.
you?
The fact that I still ain't got my blue until just now.
Yikes.
Dude, it worked. That was such a smart trick. I'm gonna start doing that anytime I play support now. That was clean. I didn't know that was like a thing at all.
I mean, why wouldn't it be?
Can we just go back in time and make it to where we can pull
Ow.
up again?
Thanks for taking tower shot. I'm sad.
You know, that's what they're there for. They're there to tank.
Yeah.
Ooh, she's really good at
First
playing
blood.
Oh, it's an echo.
Can I auto the melee? Thank you.
I was hoping that oh, dude, he's so low. He's looking pretty yummy right now.
Get it. Get it.
I'm definitely gonna try for it. Oh no, he's just got so much weight. Oh. Is he staying? No.
I need to simply auto attack and get my mana. Yeah, I may build Frozen Heart first because mana is a thing. Ow.
Is it though? Do it really be?
It really do be. That really be how it do be.
If he gets that scuttle before me because of what Blitz did to me earlier,
Gonna get real upset.
I'm probably just gonna cry.
I mean, what else is there left to do?
At that point, I mean, really.
Yeah, I mean, you're just kind of, yeah,
I'm up Poop Creek without a paddle.
what you said.
Oh, let's hit this.
Is it still here?
Oh, he doesn't have a brain. He didn't have a scuttle.
He doesn't have a brain. I'm gonna just let this push. This guy's, he's just trying to farm. I don't.
That was so free, and he didn't want it. Like my dad.
Okay. Alright.
Or dad jokes out of style.
No.
Or my dad left jokes out of style, because my dad's pretty out of style. Dude, wait, did this echo stay? I cannot tell. I just don't think this Zoe can do that kind of damage to him already.
Ow. Masses. You. Dude, what? Okay. Alright.
Dude, I knew somebody was gonna bring Willump and Nunu, and I really didn't want that. I'm so sad about that. I hate Willump and Nunu. Listen, dude, if we go now, we can kill this dude. Actually. Okay.
You talk to me like I'm down there.
No, I'm not talking about you.
Well, obviously.
Oh, dude, I'm so good. Oh,
Are you?
Well, if he dies, or if he doesn't kill him, Zoe likes boy. Oh,
Oh,
Zoe. Zoe. I've never. That was.
mildly infuriating.
She's teasing me, dude.
I'm just going ahead and
Dude, I don't know why she wouldn't just go for that. Like, not even 3 seconds. She probably would have had her Q back up. Like,
it's always possible.
welcome to bronze.
We're in silver.
Are we really?
Yeah, yeah.
Dude, I'm reading out, dude. Leave me alone.
Welcome to bronze.
Bronze
I'm
IQ.
Q maxing, and I should definitely be E maxing.
I'm gonna Emax Kha'Zix.
I wouldn't.
How about we don't say we did?
No, no. I think we can not and still say we didn't and get away with it.
How much you gonna bet?
Oh,
I was just about to go for that. I'm
Yep.
beyond salty actually right
you're
now.
about a minute and a half late.
No, I was going for it, dude. Wait.
Well, yeah, but I mean, like going for it and getting it, two different things.
Listen. I don't like your tone. Why am I running so fast on the river too? I did not put water walking on.
Are you sure?
Promise. I didn't. That stuff is for children. Just kidding. I like water walking.
Children of the Corn.
Dude, Blitz about just took my scuttle from me, dude. This Blitz is nutty. He's got so much brain.
Much brain, very wow. Oh, hey, Nunu. You are really bad at that, aren't you?
Dude,
Scream.
I hate Willumpa Nunu. Like, I always ban Willumpa Nunu, but I was like, dude, there's not a chance somebody wants to play him today.
And that's where you messed up, mate.
Yeah, and somebody wanted to play him.
Yep.
Slightly upset.
That makes me think that Nunu is like, no, he's not anywhere. Okay.
Dude, no way!
You got killed, my friend. Yikes. Can I get some of these, please? Please? I'm asking nicely. Thank you. I'm glad that I got 1 out of 4.
I'm glad to know they're duo Q.
I actually got a flash.
No, you and there's the only way that he would have known to shoot me right there was if
I need to use my passive. Oh no, they're gonna dive.
prove it. Show me the Carfax.
Well, Nunu's right there with near 0 health.
I want to see you bleed, boy.
Okay. Nasus, buddy, are you okay? That's tower shot number 2. And I'm just gonna sit here and get my carnivore.
I'm just mad that this Echo cares enough about his jungle to protect it like that. Like, can I get teammates like that? he was literally protecting his raptors. I was like, what?
Man, I love getting body blocked by every minion in the entire game. I got
He
careful
took my-
ping.
dude, I wish this Zoe would like control their mid lane or something.
It's a bit much to be asking, mate. I can come over there though.
Dude,
That was awkward.
whatever, dude. I mean, I can't do nothing with it because mid's just not. He's just not like keeping up with him. Ah, perfect. You dead? There's
Not quite.
no way. Eat him.
No, 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 no. Oh no, that's not what I want. Someone just predatored to me. I'm just gonna recall and act like nothing's happening. Yeah, nothing's happening. We're all good. Could you go defend top? No? Okay, cool. Alright.
What is top lane?
Yes,
Do
an
peop-
island.
Do people actually go and help top laners?
Rarely.
I didn't even know there was a top lane until
Who
about
is
a week ago.
TPing? Blitz? Oh, he's got Spellbook. Okay. You can go back mid. Go back mid. Go back mid, Zo.
No, dude, he thinks that since Echo can roam like a god, he thinks he needs to.
Yes, he needs to start.
Yeah. No, he needs to push tower and actually do something with his life.
Again, man, that's a bit much to ask for. And they just got the Rift.
That great.
Man, I wish our jungler was worth something.
Dude, I hate our jungler. He's so trash.
Me too. The guy's gotta be at least plastic 7.
I don't even know what plastic 7 is, dude. Oh, they're gonna take that tower so hard.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, mid's gone. I'm gonna try and shove top to respond. I got A plate.
Get him, Leona. Your brain doesn't work.
Yeah, you're not gonna get that one, mate. Boom! Auto, auto, auto. Leave. Silenced. Shh. Shh. Walk away. Oh, dude, you flashed that? You actually just burned your flash on that? Okay.
Nope.
He is... Okay. Whatever. That's fine. We'll be able to pick up a second dagger here, too. I need to get boots, actually. Because if I don't get boots, I'm not going to be able to make it back up there.
Dude, I'm glad this Varus is outstanding. It's amazing.
Is he?
Yeah, he's really good, actually.
Well, that's good. Okay, yeah, NASA's still pushing. Oh, hit it. Hit it. There you go. Look at that. You tried.
Dude, I'm so sad about that. My Q didn't actually proc. Why? I don't know. Why not?
Hit it. Oh! I'm
Dude,
trash.
So sad. That was such a good performance.
I almost had that Nasus.
Oh, I know what's wrong. I need music.
Boom. Boom. Oh, almost got the third one.
I need hype music.
Get hype music. Ain't no way that Nasus. Oh, well, yeah.
I just can't beat Echoes. I've just come to the conclusion. That Drake's gone too, dude. Dude, I don't even care if the Echo's in a I don't care if the Echo's jungle or not, dude. He will beat me. He just will. I just can't.
This Nasus has, like, no mana.
Is there a way to actually, like, balance Echo?
Theoretically, I mean, yeah, you can. Maybe. With the whole kit rework. I don't know.
Dude, take him out of the game, please. Can't wait for the day they actually have to take the champion out of the game. They're so broken. Yumi.
Okay, he got to back and TP. He got Triforce and boots. Well, well, well. Oh, hi. Well, that was fun. That was a fun game. Like, that was good.
Dude,
I love Echo.
He just gets free reign over the entire map.
Yeah.
So can't control him.
Yeah. I mean, at least she's doing the right thing and pushing whenever he's gone like that. Nasus is going to have that whole tower. Yep. Unless he focuses minions, which he didn't even... Yep. Sweet. How many stacks? 246 at 15 minutes. That's good. I wonder if I TP in if I die immediately. We're going to see. Find out next week on Dragon Ball Z. Nope. Yeah,
Why
walk
is he 2
away.
levels ahead of you, though? I'm so confused.
I don't know. It's a good question.
You want to come up and... Or you want me to come up in game?
I don't know where he went. I'm coming.
this hurts.
Yeah, he don't feel good.
Yeah, I'm gonna break this real quick.
Do. I'm gonna see if I can sniff him out. Yeah, he's going mid.
I wouldn't do that with the echo.
Well, there's everyone there. There's a Kate and Blitz too. They're gonna get in a fight. 3v2. It's looking like maybe
course
under
they would.
tower. Well, it's gonna be under tower, so.
Ooh, these Krugs don't get isolated anymore. Or these Krugs, they don't get isolated anymore.
They
Sucks.
they did get isolated before.
No, they don't get isolated once they're in like one form. That's weird.
Oh, like whenever
Grab
one's
that,
like up
dude,
in the
grab
air.
that.
What?
I
Oh.
was talking about this dude.
I'm gonna shove Todd.
Ooh, that sucks.
Ooh.
Could have had
Nasus bot.
Hey, yeah, this is Hey,
So I'm just gonna try and counter push.
right now at this state, I cannot fight him, so don't expect my help, Anna. That's funny.
Who, the Nasty Boy?
Yeah, no.
Most people can't fight the Nasty Boy. So,
Not right now. He's just like 17 levels ahead of me.
of everybody. It ain't just you.
Dude, he really do be though.
I don't know.
Dude, what is she doing?
Really? I'm dead.
Wow.
I actually lasted a lot longer than I thought. Wow.
That sucks.
Yeah, you're gonna be big. So magic resist actually isn't even a bad option this game. That's good. Let's see what Ben's doing.
Crying because I lived with 14 HP.
I got the
No worries,
rift.
dude. I'm slowly getting these stats back up. Hey,
Yeah.
we need this really bad though.
Yeah, the Drake. Yeah, I can rotate them that way. The freaking Echo, dude, he is just big.
Huge, actually. He's crazy. Right
Yeah.
now.
They're rotating
There's
to
not a
it.
chance they're all rotating.
I mean, we gotta try. Because if we don't, they get 3 Drake pressure.
Let's go, because Varus can get in there.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm trying to be a tank here.
Dude, Varus could kill them all. I'm not scared. Oh, come on, guys.
Varus might be able to, but I cannot! I'm dead.
No, Varus can do this. It'll be fine.
Varus can do it.
That rate.
He's got it. Yeah, no.
This is perfect, actually.
I was able to steal the scuttle away. Blitz is still there.
I burned so much just for that. That's stupid.
And freaking
Oh,
Nasus is counter pushing.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Nope.
A little late.
Grab him.
A 336 stack Nasus.
There's not shit we can do to that thing right there.
Pretty much.
Oh, I'm not talking about the Nasus. I'm talking about this Echo and them down here on this Drake is so trash.
Yeah.
Whatever, dude.
I'm kind of forced to just stay and protect against Nasus. Just because he's just going to keep splitting.
Yeah.
So. I actually thread that needle. I might be dead. Yeah, hello.
No. I'm coming up behind. Knock him up. Zoe's also coming. Your whole team's here.
Oh man. Didn't even get to feast him. Now I'm sad.
Did you not?
No.
I think you did.
Yeah, it felt like I did. It did the animation, but it never went, like, the damage never went through. That sucks. It's alright. I'm getting bigger. Let's see, how many... I can do
I'm dead.
3
Goodbye,
more.
Cruel World.
Shut down.
I knew it was over for me. Dude, this kid is dummy thick.
I just missed cannon, I'm sad.
That was beautiful.
Oh well. Someone killed Echo. I mean, that Caitlyn's easy pickings. Oh, Nasus TPing. Got them timings down on my knockups. Okay.
No worries, Dayton. That 1 and 4 got turned around real quick.
Yeah, now I'm 1 and 5.
You talking trash.
I didn't ever talk trash.
You find jungler could only be better.
Oh.
Dude, no. My life is circus.
Are you the main act?
Sometimes.
Only
We're about to all
sometimes.
come up there and Doug Dimma do it
I'm ready.
to him. Actually, nah, he's backing off.
No, he's not.
Honest. He looks like he was.
Yeah,
Well,
me
you got
neither.
Varus. I don't think you have anything to worry about.
I
I'm
mean,
about to kill this
maybe.
now for like the 15th time.
yeah.
No,
Why,
not
shoot him.
actually.
Oh, you did. You animal.
I had to poop, sorry.
Nice. Sweet. That's an FF that I was considering for just a second. I was. That was a close. That was a consider.
I mean, the stacks on Nasus has made it to where I'd think about it.
I mean, yeah. And, you know, the 8 kills on Echo and the 5 kills on Caitlyn, and, you know.
I ain't too scared of the Echo, but the,
I mean, yeah, because you can blow them up. You jump in there, blow them up, jump out. They're all good.
Well,
Then they get burned.
Prove it.
Now I'm going to get flame for using Cho'gath with Hail of Blades. Running the wit's end. Hey, it gives me resistance stats. I got 50 magic resist out of the deal. I'm still going tank.
I'm gonna try to get that Drake from him, but it's not looking good, that's all I'm
Yeah,
saying.
it's probably going to be a jump in and steal.
Now that's just rude, but...
Hey, actually, we could make a play here. So, what if we wait till it gets down to like 2k, I flash over and eat it, and then you smite it out?
Oh no. Ooh, I'm gone. I'm gone.
Oh, this is a time.
I was gonna come up behind and try to do that, but
Oh, thanks, Blitz.
no, it's looking pretty gruesome, dude.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna steal it.
I think that's gonna be an FF for sure.
Yeah. Man, that sucks.
You got called a troll top.
Okay.
Yogi.
Boots of speed. Hey, I got the Negatron. They're going into that. I'm working on it. Calm it down. Still regular boots. I had to get my items. I had to get my...
24 minutes regular boots, he says.
I had to get my items, man. What are you talking about?
Replay. Oh no.
What?
This is tragic.
Knock 'em up. Beat 'em. Rock 'em, sock 'em, robots. Oh no. Ignited? Ignited? Oh, and he missed. Hit Leona instead. Perfect.
Oh, dude,
What did you?
they just had such a strong team.
They did.
This is
I want to
tragic.
nom. I want to. No, I can't nom. Jesus.
That is tragic.
Well, guys, that's the end. What did we learn? Don't play this. This sucks. Cho'gath scales off of AP. So why would you even think about maybe possibly trying to do a video or like play a game like this? I mean, look at this. Some people can make it work if you're better than me, which is most of the people who play League. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for what I'm doing, and it sucks. I wouldn't try it.